Good morning, officer. I need some help today. I think my wallet is missing.
Good morning, sir. Please tell me your name. I am Officer Maria.
My name is Tom. I am very worried about my wallet. I cannot find it anywhere.
Please stay calm, Tom. We can help you report the lost item.
Thank you. I am a little bit stressed about losing my important cards.
When was the last time you saw your wallet? Try to remember the exact time.
I had it in my pocket yesterday evening. I used it to buy a drink.
Did you lose the wallet, or do you think someone took it from your pocket?
I am not sure if it was stolen. It was in my back pocket last time.
That is okay. We will file a report for a lost or potentially stolen item.
Thank you for helping me report this. This process is confusing for me.
Reporting is easy. I just need to ask you several simple questions.
I am ready to answer all your questions accurately.
First, can you describe the exact color of your wallet for the record?
My wallet is black and made of leather. It is quite old now.
Was the wallet large or small? Did it fold open in the middle?
It was a small bifold wallet. It fit easily into my jeans pocket.
Do you know how much money was inside the wallet when you last saw it?
I think I had about $50 inside the wallet.
$50. I will write that small cash amount on the form now.
I am more worried about my driver's license and my bank cards.
That is very understandable. We will list all the cards now.
I need to cancel my bank cards immediately after this report.
We will finish the report first, then you can call the bank safely.
I will wait until I have the official police report number.
Let's list the contents of the wallet. Did you have a driver's license?
Yes, my driver's license was inside the wallet. It is essential for me.
I need the license number. Do you remember the full number?
No, I do not remember the full license number. I only know the date of birth.
That is fine. We will list the license number as unknown for now.
I had 2 bank credit cards and 1 debit card inside.
3 cards in total. Which bank issued these cards to you?
The credit cards were from First City Bank. The debit card was from National Bank.
I will list those 2 bank names here on the form.
I also had 1 small photo of my dog inside the wallet.
A photo of your dog is a personal item. I will write that down too.
The dog photo is not important for money. It is important for my memory.
I understand. We include all details in the report.
I hope the person who finds the wallet is honest and returns it.
If someone finds it, they often bring it to the nearest police station.
That is good to know. I hope someone does the right thing.
Did you have any key cards or security passes in the wallet?
Yes, I had my library card and my gym membership card inside.
We will list the library and the gym card now.
The wallet did not have any house keys inside. That is good.
I am happy to hear your house keys are safe with you.
The wallet also contained a small emergency note with my mother's phone number.
That note might help if someone honest finds the wallet.
I think those are all the items that were inside my black leather wallet.
Now, we must talk about the location. Where did you use the wallet last night?
I was at the city park near the large fountain. I bought an ice cream.
Which street is the city park near? I need a street name for the report.
The park is next to Main Street and Elm Street. It is a busy intersection.
I know that park. Did you sit down on a bench after buying the ice cream?
Yes, I sat on a bench near the fountain for about 20 minutes.
Did you stand up quickly? Maybe the wallet fell out when you stood up.
I think I stood up quickly. Maybe the wallet fell when I put on my backpack.
We will state that the possible lost location is the bench near the fountain at Main Street Park.
That sounds like the most likely spot where it fell out of my pocket.
What time did you leave the park last night? Be as specific as possible.
I left the park at exactly 8 p.m. last night. It was still light outside.
Did you go back to the park this morning to look for the wallet yourself?
Yes, I searched the bench and the ground around the fountain this morning.
Did you find anything at all? any sign of the missing wallet?
No, I did not find anything at all this morning. It was completely gone.
That means we must file the official report now.
I hope that the police can find it for me somehow later.
We will keep the report active for 30 days. We will check the found items desk.
Thank you for giving me hope. 30 days is a good amount of time.
Did anyone strange approach you in the park last night?
No, no one came close to me. I was sitting alone on the bench.
I need your current address now. Where do you live right now?
I live at 12 Maple Street, apartment 4B. That is my home address.
12 Maple Street, apartment 4B. Thank you, I have written that down.
I hope this address is easy to read on your official form.
Yes, the address is very clear. What is your best contact phone number?
My mobile phone number is 555-123-4567. Please call me on that number.
555-123-4567. If we find your wallet, we will call you immediately.
Please call me any time of day or night. I need the wallet back.
I will also write down your email address for official updates.
My email is tom.smith@gmail.com. I check my email very often.
Thank you, Tom. Now I need to see one piece of identification from you.
I do not have my driver's license. It is inside the missing wallet.
Do you have another form of ID, maybe a passport or a work badge?
I have my work ID card here in my backpack. It has my full name.
That work ID is perfect. Please let me see it for one quick moment.
Here is my work ID card. Please look at it quickly.
Thank you. I will confirm your name and date of birth from this card.
Everything on that work card is completely correct.
I have all your necessary details now. The report is almost finished.
I feel better that everything is officially recorded in the station.
Tom, I have completed the official report form now. It is finished.
Thank you, Officer Maria. What happens next with this report number?
This report has an official number. I will give you a copy of the report.
I need that report copy immediately for my bank and credit card companies.
Yes, you must call your bank right now and report the missing cards.
I will call them as soon as I leave this police station today.
Use this report number when you talk to the bank. It is your proof.
This report proves that I lost the cards. That is very important for the bank.
We will put the details into our central database of lost property.
If someone finds the black wallet, will the database show my name?
Yes, the system will match the description to your name and phone number.
That is good. I hope the system works very fast for me.
We will call your number immediately if the wallet is found and returned here.
I will keep my phone volume very loud all the time, waiting for your call.
Please wait 30 days. If it is not found, you must replace your ID cards.
30 days is the official waiting period before I must get new documents.
Yes, this report copy is also your proof for the new driver's license application.
This police report is necessary for getting a new license. I understand.
Do not worry too much about the small amount of cash inside the wallet.
The important thing is getting my ID and cards safely replaced.
Here is your copy of the police report, Tom. Please keep this paper very safe.
Thank you, Officer Maria. I will put it immediately into my safe backpack.
Remember the steps. Call the bank right now and wait for our call for 30 days.
Bank call immediately, 30 days wait time. I remember those 2 steps.
If you remember any new details about the loss, please call us back here.
If I remember exactly where I dropped it, I will definitely call the station.
I hope your wallet is found and returned to you very quickly this week.
I hope so too. Thank you very much for your kind help and patience today.
You are very welcome. We are here to help the public with these issues.
You made the reporting process very clear and easy to understand.
I try my best to be clear for everyone who visits the police station.
I will leave now and go straight to the phone store to call my bank.
That is a good idea. Do that before you do anything else today.
Goodbye, Officer Maria. Have a good rest of your day.
Goodbye, Tom. I hope we do not need to call you back for another problem.
I hope I do not need to visit the police station again soon.
Take care of your remaining belongings today. Be safe on the streets.
I will be more careful with my pockets in the future.
Good luck with finding your lost wallet, Tom.
Thank you. Goodbye.